Welcome back. In previous video, I have provided you concept of rationalization. We have to multiply such a quantity in denominator so that irrationality of that denominator would be vanished. So in present case, we have got 1 by root 2 and the denominator has root 2 as irrational part. Then what should be multiplied with this? Then we can know if root x is multiplied by root x, then we get x. I have explained this in previous video. So we can get this. Similarly, when we multiply it by root 2, we will get 2. And we have also aware of the fact that when we multiply with denominator, then we have to multiply with numerator. Although when we multiply a number with numerator and denominator of a same fraction, the value doesn't change. So we multiply root 2, and what we will get? Root 2, and here root 2 into root 2, that is root 2. This is the way we rationalize any quantity. This is example 17 of your book, and this is example 18, and we have to multiply this thing, and we come to know that we can multiply anything. Use your mind. We can multiply anything to remove the irrationality. But we know that when we have got quantity like this and we have to remove root 2 of this, then we have to multiply by this. In this case, the result is a square root b square. Then what we will get? A minus a square minus b. So if we multiply given equation with what? Root 2 minus root 3. We multiply given equation with this, what we will get? We will get I am continuing over here. What we will get? Root 2 by using this formula we come to know root 3, and this is 4 minus root 3 square, that is 3. Then what you will get? Root 2 minus 3. Please pause the video and note it down. And next question of rationalizing denominator is this is again example of your NCERT, example 19, that is 18. This is example 19. This we get as a question. Then again, what we will have to multiply? We know that a minus b should be multiplied with a plus b. Then we get a plus b or minus b. Okay. So when we multiply this equation with this with root 3 plus 5. Why we have multiplied? I have given you reason. Because we know that when we multiply such a equation with root with this, and minus and plus sign with this, then root of both the numbers has been vanished. So that's why we have applied this identity. What is the answer? Root 5, root 3, root 5. And this root 3 ka square minus root 5 ka square. The answer is what? we are not able to remove irrationality of numerator. So answer is I have applied minus sign, or you put minus here or put minus here, anywhere. So this is the way we have rationalized our denominator. Next example 20, and after that we will proceed with exercise, and that will proceed in fast mode. 20 exercise I will proceed in fast mode. Root 2. So we need to multiply. We need to multiply what? We need to multiply this quantity with, generally we need to multiply in such a case, if plus sign is there, we need to multiply minus sign with the same number. But we need to put minus sign, or if it is minus, then we have to put here plus. So what will you get? You will get 49 minus 3 into 3 into root 2, or directly we can say 18. 3 in 3 is 9, or 2 is 18, and we can write here. So answer is 7 and 20 or 31. So please pause the video and note it down. Okay students, this is exercise 1.5, and I have considered all the concept of this exercise. So I do this exercise in a fast mode. This is rational or irrational. I told you, if we add rational and irrational number, then result is always irrational. This, when we do this is written like this in your book. This is 23. And when you open this bracket, what you will get? 23 minus 23. Result is 3. What does it mean? Irrational and irrational. When we subtracted, the result is rational. Now this root 7 will be simplified, and we will get 2 by 7, and this is of the form P by Q. Then we can say this is rational. 1 by root 2, although we can rationalize it, even then root 2 doesn't disappear, then this is irrational. And although pi, okay, some of you think that pi equal to 3.14, but is it exact value of pi? No, my dear students, this is not exact value of pi by 3. Pi. This can be written for calculating questions, but actual value of pi has got so much repetition of numbers that nobody is able to learn exact value of pi. So if this is pi, then 2 pi is also irrational. So always when you solve question, you assume pi equals to 3.14, but in actual case pi is irrational number, and I think someone has made the record of learning decimal values of pi up to the 80,000 places. So please pause the video, note it down. And the next question is this. Again, I will do it in a fast mode. 3 is multiplied by 2, that is 6. Then 3 is multiplied by root 2, 3 root 2. Root 3 is multiplied by, and this is root 6. Although you can write 3 root 2 or root 2 3, but this is the best way because this is considered as the actual method. So always write this root right hand side and left hand side you have to write integral value. So please take care of this. Now this again 3 is multiplied a square minus b square. So 3 is multiplied by 3, that is 9, and 3, that is 6. For this root 5 ka square, root 2 ka square, and root 2ab. 2ab. Although let us put so that so what you will get? You will get 5 plus 2 and 2 root 10, that is 7. This I am doing it directly. Please pause the video, note it down. We are proceeding with third question. Okay, student, this is the fifth question of our NCERT. Before that, question number 2 I have discussed. Question number 3 was related with pi. Question number 3 was related with pi. Actually, pi is nothing. Question number 3. Pi is nothing but ratio of circumference of circle with diameter of circle. But we have written it, so it is a ratio. But when we although you have given with 22/7, but it is not exact value. So when we do this, you will get division digit. So for this, you can take pi equal to 3.14 for calculation point of view, but this is a completely irrational number. And question number 4 is somehow is construction a little bit different question from this concept, so I will tell you later on. So first I will take question number 4. For rationalizing this denominator, we have to multiply what? Root 7. We get root 7 into root 7 into root 7. We get root 7 by 7. Rationalize हो गया. Now we need to multiply. We need to multiply this. Then what you will get? You will get root 7 plus root 6. This is that is okay. For this we need to multiply what? Root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 minus root 2, that is what? Root 5 minus root 2, 5 minus 3, that is root 5 minus root 2. And for this, root 7 is minus, okay? No, my dear students, we need to add with different sign. Then what will be the answer? 7 minus 4, that is okay. Well, students, hope you all are enjoyed the video. I will keep providing you such useful video if you think so. Please see and write the desired concept. And if you feel the topic is little bit more elaborative, I have elaborated the topic, so please use the concept of skip and forward. Okay, hope stay at home, enjoy living at home, stay safe with a part against the war. I hope you all are doing well stay at home. So good day, bye bye.